This news is from the health section and was taken from BBC News. So, according to the agency Public Health England, about 80% of heart attacks and strokes in people under 75 years could be prevented if heart health was improved. For that reason, they recommend to people over 30 years to take an online test to find out their heart age. With this test, people can know if they are more likely to suffer a heart attack or a stroke. They also estimate that a person's lifestyle plays an important role in the prevention of early death. So that's why they give us some suggestions in order to improve our lifestyles. As for example, give up smoking, eat fish, drink less alcohol, um, get active, or get enough exercise. So those are the recommendations. Thank you.